Hey there guys, if you're playing Population 1 VR Battleground, since the last update there's an ongoing problem with the audio, the annoying static noise in the background. To get rid of it, all you have to do is to reset the voice chat in the settings by pressing the menu button on your left controller, then click General, and you can see on the bottom right corner Reset Voice Chat. Click that and the static should go away. Take note that this is not a permanent solution, so you might have to reset the voice chat again when the static comes back. In my case, I have to reset the voice chat every 2 to 3 rounds, and sometimes like 5 rounds I don't have a static noise at all. At this time, this is the only effective solution that I know, but I'm hoping that this problem should be permanently fixed on the next update. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the VR world. Bye bye.